Welcome to Backyard Growing. In today's video we are chilies harvest. Let's get into it. First up I'm gonna harvest is the store-bought chilies. Now the cayenne pepper. Now we're going to do the Thai chilies. Okay guys, so here's the chilies. This is the Thai chili, this is the cayenne, and this is the chilies that I bought at the store, and then I planted it, and then I got this. I don't know the name of the chilies. So I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. So thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.